Are you looking for the best headlight restoration kits? In this video, we will break down the top 4 headlight restoration kits on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
VideoWiki is a product review database in video format. Here we're a group of product research where we test, analyze, and research trending products. Our goal is to create a list of top picks with buying guides for every category based on the product's features, quality, price, and user feedback. If you choose from our list, you can be sure you'll be buying one of the best products available today. Make sure to check the products link down below in the description. And please like the video and subscribe to our channel to get more product reviews regularly.
At number 1. 3M Headlight Restoration Kit. One of the most popular headlight restoration kits on Amazon comes from 3M, a trusted brand in the automotive industry. This kit, however, requires a household drill to be effective and takes a bit more time for best results. It's a professional-grade product that can be used on headlights, tail lights, fog lights, and directional lights, and comes complete with 3M Trizac sanding discs and a polishing pad with compound. Taking advantage of 3M abrasive technology, this kit removes yellowing and buildup without damaging the plastic lens surface. While the 3-step process is relatively easy to do from your own home or garage, it does take around an hour or even longer for best results. Overall, it requires a bit more elbow grease than other kits, but it's also one of the most effective. Unfortunately, each kit is designed to restore 2 headlight lenses, so this isn't something you can store away after use. At number 2. Sylvania Headlight Restoration Kit. If you enjoy doing things the old-fashioned way with a bit of elbow grease, the Sylvania Headlight Restoration Kit comes with everything you need. This kit is ideal for folks who enjoy tackling a project by hand. Inside the box, you get sandpaper, gloves, microfiber cloths, polishing compound, cleaning liquid, masking tape, and protective clear coating compound as well. Simply follow the 3 steps and you'll restore your headlights to a clear finish with lasting UV protection. This one has been a very commonly used headlight restoration kit thanks to its quick and easy usage coupled with the lifetime warranty that comes with the kit. This places it above many other competing products, and customers generally also prefer its effectiveness over other products. It works best to restore headlights when they have become hazy and discolored, largely due to the UV exposure through the sun. The kit comes with sandpaper, microfiber cloth, cleaning liquid, gloves, a polishing compound, a clear coat compound, as well as a masking tape. The Sylvania Headlight Restoration Kit might be the best bet when it comes to durability and reliability of a product. While many people like to go all in with their drills and foam pads, the effectiveness of this product is as high as it can get. It comes with a UV clear coat compound that many other products don't include. All in all, this offers one of the most user-friendly, cost-effective, and durable fixes to all your headlight problems. At number 3. Rust-Oleum Light New Headlight Restore Kit. The Rust-Oleum Headlight Lens Restoration Kit is yet another product that is easy to use and highly effective. The kit includes nanopolymer formula and comes with a much-needed polishing pad. To restore your lenses to their best health, follow these 3 steps. After cleaning with water or an FSC and grease remover, cover the areas surrounding the headlights with tape to protect the paint. Then, use the polishing pad for sanding the lens. It is best to start sanding with the green side of the polishing pad. Sand the lens until it becomes very clear when wet. Rinse the headlight cleaner after you finish sanding, and then dry it with a microfiber towel that is included in the package. In this final step, use the Wipe It towelette in the package to wipe the lens of the headlight. Wipe in a side-to-side motion, and make sure to overlap each pass to ensure you wipe every inch of the lens. For this step, you need to have prepared both headlights before opening the towelette, as it can dry up quickly. Once you have restored your headlight lens, it would greatly help if you protected them from moisture within the first 24 hours. The formula in the towelette helps block UV damage and oxidation damage, which can inevitably prolong the headlight's lifespan. At number 4. Mother's 07251 NuLens Headlight Renewal Kit. This headlight renewal kit from Mother's works with any cordless household drill to polish away age in headlights. The kit includes a spongy polishing tool, sanding discs, a drill attachment disc, and 8 ounces of liquid polish. This versatile kit is the best headlight restorer if you plan on restoring headlights on different vehicles because it includes adaptable instructions for the level of damage present. Some lights may just need a light, quick polishing, but this kit also works wonders for seriously yellow, scratchy lenses. The versatility of this system also means that you can fully restore damaged headlights with it once, and then use the same system for upkeep over the years. With 8 ounces of polish, you won't be running out anytime soon. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feel.